What's going on, everyone? This is Vince from Life with Vince Luu. Today is a new day. Time to go put in some work and crush it. Let's go. Feel like doing some upper body today because I haven't done upper body in a while, but I can't forget about my squats. So I'll be squatting, and then whatever comes to mind for my upper body, that's what I'm gonna do. Let's go. And there you have it, short and sweet. Start off with squats, 135, 4x5, then pull-ups, body weight, 4x20, then shoulder press, 4x10 on each side, and last but not least, shoulder front raise, 4x10. I have this really bad habit of wanting it all. One day, I want to be super strong in powerlifting. The next day I want to be really aesthetic and have cuts and be jacked. The next day I want to be better at ultra running. The next day I want to be super good at jiu-jitsu. Because honestly, I want to be all of it, though I know that I can't be super good at all of it. And if I were to focus on one lane, I would be even better at that one lane. But I'm also okay with being a Renaissance man, or trying to be the best Renaissance man that I can, because there's certain aspects that I don't want to give up to be better in certain aspects. So, for example, I don't want to give up the aesthetics. I still want to look good aesthetically. I still want to be ripped. I still want to be decently looking, but also at the same time get better in ultra running. And it's counterintuitive, because if you want to get better at ultra running, then you should be running a lot more. I know that I should be running a lot more, but if I were to run a lot more, then it would take away from my aesthetics. And honestly, I know that I can't have it all, but that's not going to stop me from trying. That's not going to stop me from putting in the work day in and day out and trying to be the best version of me that I can be. So cheers to this journey that we call life. Let's get it. Getting in a few miles today. Legs are a little stiff, a little sore, but a little stiffness and soreness ain't never hurt nobody. There are gonna be days when you feel stiff, when you feel sore, and you don't want to get up and go. But strap on your shoes, get up out the door, and you'll thank yourself later. And no one says that you have to be dying when you go out to run. You can go at a good, even pace, just for a few miles. Get in a good sweat. It's good for the heart. And if you can't run, you can walk. Walk a few miles every day. Just got back from my run, and technology officially hates me. Look at my Fitbit. The screen is totally black. It said I had 40% battery when I started the run. And I actually updated it yesterday, and I decided to update it because Strava has been glitching, but I didn't update it for like over a year because the Fitbit wouldn't sync with my phone, and when I went to go reset the password, it would never resend the password. And so I was like, you know what, forget about it. But yesterday I decided to get back to syncing my Fitbit to my phone, so I had to make a new account. Made the new account, synced it up, updated my Fitbit, and this is what happens. It literally had 40% battery. And then to make it even worse, Strava decided to glitch as well. I'll put it up on the screen right now, but it said I was running like 5-minute miles, which I definitely was not. I wish I was that fast. But I actually ran 2 miles for this time. I think it was 21 minutes for 2 miles, so about 10:30 a mile. I know because when I do that same loop, when I get to a certain point, it's 2 miles. And then I just walked a mile after that. So, bummer. What are you gonna do? Oh well. So I finally think I got my personal cadence down for YouTube and also documenting and not creating. What I've been doing is shooting my content throughout the day. So I'll carry my GoPro and then my Canon with me everywhere I go, shooting that content, uploading that content to my laptop right away, making edits here and there. And then by 5 p.m., I make sure to shoot whatever I need to shoot for that video for the day, like the clip you're watching right now, and then make my final edits and get my YouTube video published and out there by 6 or 7 p.m. And I feel like this cadence and workflow is working really well for me because it's literally me documenting what I'm already doing for that day. And I have a lot of people ask me how I'm able to push out 1 video a day. It's because of that. It's because I'm just carrying a camera with me, and if the camera wasn't there, I would be doing those things anyways. It's way less stressful. You don't have to think of anything. You don't have to script anything out. It's, hey, I'm gonna be doing pull-ups, so I'm gonna document this. Hey, I'm gonna go on a run, I'm gonna be documenting this. Or if you're not doing, it doesn't have to be exercise. If you're just laying on the couch, hey, I'm taking a chill day today, this is what I'm doing, and this is how I'm treating my channel. This is going to be the format of my channel. It's just to document and not create. So thanks for sticking around. Thanks for following my journey. If you have any questions for me or any requests on videos, please comment down below. Would love to hear from you all. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helped me out. See you tomorrow.